Farming is one of the oldest professions in the world, yet today it's facing some of its biggest challenges ever. Climate change, water scarcity, rising costs, labor shortages, and a growing global population are putting enormous pressure on farmers to produce more food using fewer resources. So how do we meet these demands? The answer is smart agriculture. Smart agriculture, also known as precision farming, is the use of modern technology to make farming more efficient, sustainable, and profitable. Instead of relying only on experience or guesswork, farmers now use data to make smarter decisions every single day. Let's break down how it works. At the heart of smart agriculture are data and sensors. Sensors placed in fields continuously monitor soil moisture, temperature, nutrient levels, and crop health. This real-time data tells farmers exactly what their crops need and when they need it. For example, instead of watering an entire field on a fixed schedule, smart irrigation systems deliver water only where and when it's required. This reduces water waste, lowers costs, and improves crop growth. Next comes satellite imagery and drones. High-resolution images from satellites and drones allow farmers to see their fields from above. They can quickly identify problem areas, such as pest infestations, disease, or nutrient deficiencies, long before they're visible from the ground. By detecting issues early, farmers can take targeted action instead of treating the whole field. This saves time, reduces chemical use, and protects the environment. Another powerful tool transforming agriculture is artificial intelligence. AI analyzes massive amounts of farm data to predict outcomes and recommend actions. It can forecast weather patterns, estimate yields, and suggest the best time to plant or harvest. Machine learning models also help farmers choose the right crops for specific soil and climate conditions, reducing risk and improving productivity. Then there's automation and smart machinery. Modern tractors and harvesters are equipped with GPS and autonomous systems. They can plant seeds, apply fertilizer, and harvest crops with incredible precision, often without human intervention. This not only increases efficiency, but also helps solve labor shortages and reduces fuel consumption. Smart agriculture also plays a major role in sustainability. By applying water, fertilizer, and pesticides only where needed, farms significantly reduce pollution and soil degradation. Healthier soil leads to stronger crops, better yields, and long-term farm viability. In short, smart farming helps farmers grow more food while protecting natural resources for future generations. So, what does this mean for the future? As the global population continues to rise, smart agriculture will be essential to ensuring food security. Technology won't replace farmers, but it will empower them. With the right tools, farmers can make informed decisions, reduce waste, increase profits, and build resilient food systems. Smart agriculture isn't just the future of farming. It's already transforming how the world grows food today.